Cooling cat house from clawsable. She likes it very much. She went inside before installation. Now, she is very curious about it. It's very easy to install. Attach the legs and tied up the Velcro strap. The cooling effect is amazing. Fill the ice pack with water and freeze for 8 hours. Place the ice packs inside the cat house. Ensures cat is comfortable and relaxed away from the heat. House was made of high-quality waterproof PVC, making this cat house weatherproof. She likes it so much that she doesn't want to leave. Check my bio and buy it for your own pet.